Okay, so if you're somewhat new to North Texas, you may be like, man, 101, that's excessive. It's really hot, but it could be a whole lot worse, and it's going to be a whole lot worse. We had a few clouds that kept us, I don't want to say mild today, but just a little less bad than it could have been.
Less excessive.
There you go.
Does that make sense? Kind of.
To me it does, but it's pretty nasty still.
It's nasty. So the heat that we're going to experience the next couple of days, very hot, not record heat. So that's Texas for you. In August, that's how it goes around here. The high today was 101 degrees. That is the 18th triple-digit day so far this year. We averaged 14 to date. We are a little bit above the norm, the hottest so far. Still that 103 back on August 7th and 8th. And if you look back to last summer and the summer before that, we had 37 triple-digit days to date and 47 in 2022. So not as hot as the last couple of summers, a little closer to the norm. Today was 101, the normal's 96. Like we said, not a record, and if you do remember, we hit 109 3 days in a row last year. That was the record high for today, 109 degrees, set back in 2023. Right now it's 99 at DFW. Feels like 104 when you factor in the humidity. So tomorrow, I'm going to say a repeat, but a couple of degrees hotter tomorrow. Another excessive heat warning in effect for practically all of North Texas. There's a couple little exceptions here like Hill County, not included in the excessive heat warning, but still 105 to 110. Heat advisory. What's it matter, right? 110 plus in the excessive heat warning. Dangerous heat tomorrow. These are the highs. So today 101, we're expecting 104 in Dallas tomorrow, 106 in Graham, 105 in Bowie, 100 in Canton, 101 in Mineola. So get triple digits area wide from 100 to 105 for most. Then you factor in the humidity. That's where you're looking at why the excessive heat warning's in place, because we'll have heat index values tomorrow afternoon of 111 in Dallas, 110 in Terrell, 109 in McKinney, 111 in Bonham, 109 in Granbury, and 107 in Stephenville. It's not getting better just yet. It gets a little bit better by the end of the work week next week and going into the weekend. It's still hot. But instead of 104s and 105s and 103s like we're expecting the next few days, we're in the upper 90s. So we're kind of trending in the right direction there as hopefully the excessive heat starts to kind of dial down a little bit. We had that cloud cover that moved in. That helped us stay, it's sad to say, it helped us stay to 101 and not 103. And we didn't see much rain. Some of you got lucky today. Southwestern Fannin County, very far eastern Collin County, right on the border of Hunt County, got a little bit of rain today. And that's, still maybe a couple little drops falling out there this evening, but a trace to 1/10 of an inch over the next 7 days. And it would be just the luckiest few folks in North Texas. Most of us will not be seeing a drop of rain for quite some time. That is a reminder that we have an elevated fire danger in place, mainly west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area where the humidity will be a little bit lower. Temperatures obviously very hot for Sunday and the rest of most of next week, and the vegetation, grasses, everything's getting pretty dry. Tonight, 81 degrees, clear, warm, muggy, light winds. Tomorrow, 104, mostly sunny, very hot, light winds, excessive heat warning in effect. I don't know if I can call it relief. I guess it is. It is, I guess. 105 Monday, but Saturday, 98, 99 Sunday. No major signs. This is, by the way, this takes us through the last day of August. No major signs of the summer heat breaking down anytime soon, which I suppose makes sense because it's summer. But I think we start getting into that mental thing when, it's September. When you hear September, you start thinking, well, any day now. But that any day now is in fact not any day now.
Yeah.
We have to go through the next 2 weeks at least.
It takes a while. All right, Jesse, thank you.